How to create a poll in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, say for example, I want to create poll in this group chat right here. When you are here, what you need to do is you need to click on the four dots icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and from there click on polls. And here you will see that there are two types of polls: text polls. So let's start with those one first. In order to create a text poll, here the first section is you need to enter your question, as it says what's your poll about. So say for example, I'm going to enter a random question. And in the second section it says options, so let's add the first option, and you can add more and more options, as you can see right here. And once you are done, just click on create poll at the bottom, and your poll will be created, as you can see. So people will see this poll and they will click to vote. As you can see, they can submit their answers. So that was it for the first type of polls, which is the text poll. So let's go ahead and see the second type of poll, which is most likely to. Say for example, it works the same way as the first type. The first section is the question. As you can see, it says who is most likely to make you laugh. So this is a good question. I'm going to leave it. Who is the most likely, or I'm just going to choose a random question. Who's most likely to win? Say for example this question, and you can add options right here, which are members of the group, and then click send question, and your poll will be created, as you will see right now. Now once the poll has been created, as you can see, people can click on it to vote and to submit their answers, just like the first type. Say for example, like this, and the poll will be updated with the answers counted. It's a very easy and simple process. So yeah, that was it for this video. That's how you can create polls in Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.